for the homeowner, now that this is finished and this is theirs, what can they do to kind of keep the glass clean over time?
So that's a great question. You can typically do a couple of things. One, if you're someone that doesn't mind using a squeegee, you can jump in here and every time you're done, squeegee it off, super clean. The glass will truly last you forever. The other option is there's a hydrophobic coating that's now taking place in our industry, and there's a couple of versions of it. There's some that actually go on with the tempering process, and then there's some other pieces that your glazing contractors can actually put on.
And it kind of smooths out the pores of the glass, because even though we can't see it or feel it, glass is somewhat porous, right?
Sand-based, yeah.
So the hydrophobic coating smooths that over and makes the water just repel right off of it.
That's exactly right.
Do you need to still squeegee glass if it has a hydrophobic coating?
I would say it's probably still an option. You're still going to have some water molecules attached. Again, it's not maintenance free, but for the most part, it becomes a whole lot less to keep.
And then as far as using cleaning products on hydrophobic coatings, are you able to use some of those harsher cleaners that you would normally use, or are there special cleaners to use on hydrophobic?
Some of the brands have special aftercare products, but for the most part, just don't use anything with an ammonia in it. It won't strip it down, it won't tear it off, and a lot of those things have a reasonable lifespan.
Awesome. All right, well, let's get this cleaned up for the homeowner.
Awesome, sounds good.